You know, students, frictional electricity. Frictional electricity is a concept which electricity. Frictional electricity concept was given by Thales of Miletus 600 BC in a country, Asia Minor. Basically, he was lying near a riverbed, and he was having some yellow resinous material, and he was wearing a fur coat. He rubbed the yellow resinous material with his fur coat, and amazingly he found that dry leaves were attracted towards the yellow resinous material. Those yellow resinous material was attracting the dry leaves. That was a question. Why it was attracting the dry leaves? Basically, it leads to the wonderful concept of frictional electricity. Frictional electricity is all about what? Whenever we rub one material with another material, energy is generated. And during that energy, electrons acquire energy. One of the electrons from one body transfers to the other one. As a result of that, one acquires a positive charge and the other acquires a negative charge. Consequently, an electromagnetic interaction takes place. So the phenomenon of generation of electricity by friction is called a frictional electricity. Like this is one body, it is rubbed with another body, so energy is there. The electrons of this body gets transferred to the other body. Like this is a body A and this is a body B. The electrons from the body A transfers to the body B. As a result, one acquires a positive charge which is deficient in electron, and the other acquires a negative charge which is enriched with electrons. Consequently, there is an electromagnetic interactions. You know, on rubbing, energy is gained by electrons. As a result of this, one loses and the other gains. Hence, there is an electromagnetic interactions. Well, it is not essential that if a body acquires a positive charge by losing electron, it means it will always acquire a positive charge. It's not so. It depends upon with what another object it is rubbed. So there is a frictional series we have introduced. How to keep in mind this frictional series, I have tried to give my own concept. Just remember, students, great Franklin